Recently, I felt pretty angry and frustrated at myself for not accomplishing what I set out for the month. At the beginning of the year, I made a goal of doing one big project a month, experiencing something brand new each month, as well as creating a music project each month. I basically failed at 2 out of the 3. I didn't accomplish a big project or a music project, so I was met with extreme disappointment at the end of the month. I started to beat myself up mentally to the point where I felt bitter, and usually I'm an optimist, so feeling that much negativity is a rare occasion for me. I had to talk to a friend just to calm down. The reason I didn't accomplish my big project was because all of my time went into unintentionally fulfilling the new experience quota 3 times over. I visited Yosemite for the first time. I went to a place called Fawns Point for the first time as well, which was an extremely beautiful sight. And finally, I went tubing for the first time in Big Bear. And in each event, I took a lot of photos and videos that afterwards, I spent a lot of extra time editing. I have this really weird quirk and desire to just organize and safekeep memories for myself as well as my friends. On top of that, I also started 3 new habit challenges, which were drinking 1 gallon of water per day for 1 week, doing 100 push-ups and 30 pull-ups every day for 30 days, currently on day 15, as well as waking up within 1 minute of my alarm for 7 days. Only one of those challenges has finished successfully, and the other 2 are actually going pretty well. Yet, because I didn't accomplish that one big project and music project, I just feel like a failure still. In a sense, I am. I failed at those 2 goals, and I should be feeling some negativity. But I'm learning that too much of it can be counterproductive. I have to remind myself to see the full picture. I made a lot of unforgettable and happy memories with my friends in the past month, and I did make a lot of progress with important things like my habits. So just because those things aren't a part of my monthly goals doesn't mean I should pretend they don't exist and ignore them. I should take them into account when doing my monthly reflection. I'm trying to remember that. Still, it can't all be forgiven. I do need to focus up and really get things done this month. The big project of the month was supposed to be a redesign of my website, which I haven't started at all. So this month will be dedicated towards that, as well as creating a music original. But in order to accomplish those things, I need to change my approach. At the current moment, I think a good solution for balancing time and focus will be to create a limited time slot during the week where I work on the things that aren't related to those 2 goals that I really want to do. I'll erase any deadlines I have for now. That way, I won't get caught up in continuously trying to do them. This will allow me to still work on the non-focused things I want, like editing the photos and videos I take at events, as well as making my weekly vlogs about my challenges, while still keeping the focus on the big project. I just have a limited amount of time I work on those smaller projects per week. With all of that said, I have moved on from feeling negative, and I am looking forward to the new month. I think sometimes it's a good thing to feel that negativity because it helps by telling you that you need to change something. However, once those thoughts of nihilism and self-pity kick in, I know I need to take a step back and try not to be too hard on myself. What I should do is accept that I failed and reflect on why, and then move forward from there with a new strategy. I believe that is the best path. Hopefully, me rambling about this can help some of you guys out there to not be too hard on yourself. Best of luck moving forward. It definitely feels like this month is going to be more productive.